English via Art, Nature Series number 4, Jungle, Lake, Lakeside, Landscape, Mount, Mountain. How to practice listening and speaking. Watch the video, listen and read silently. To understand the content, pause the video as often as necessary. Watch the video again, listen and read aloud. Then mute the video, watch and read aloud. Repeat until you pronounce easily, sound natural, and speak confidently. Jungle, the equatorial jungle, the monkeys in the jungle, jungle pool, mandrill in the jungle, dream jungle, bear jungle, jungle night, concrete jungle, the birds, an Amazon jungle, jungle sunset, jungle songs, lake, mountain lake, lake, New Hampshire, the lake, Lake Caterle, the Lake of Tiberias, Mulchesine on Lake Garda, Lake O'Hara, Lake Ilmen, by the water, near the lake, Lake Bride, my blue lake, Lake Superior, above Lake Superior, Sacred Lake, Bombay, Fairy Lake, Lakeside, Lakeside, a stroll by the lakeside, lakeside with birch trees, landscape, Arctic landscape, landscape, Algarve landscape, city landscape, 1, 2, and 3, landscape, 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 landscape with green trees, landscape, Nakhchivan landscape, landscape, mount, mount of 5 treasures, 2 worlds, Mount Lefroy, mountain, mountains and lake, mountain, notable day in the mountains, mountain, mountains in Provence, Listac, mystic mountain, men and mountains, the rubble mountain, mountain, the mountain, Nashivan mountains, mother as mountain, little mountain, untitled mountains, the blooming mountain, mountain, family of the mountain,